All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So, cost, an arm and a leg. Yeah. Something that will cost a lot of money. Or expensive, very expensive. Yeah. So we could say an arm. Yeah. And let's have a look. Leg. Oops. Leg. Leg. Yeah, there we are. Cost an arm and a leg. Very good. Yeah. So leg, very good. Arm, very good. So something very expensive, it costs an arm and a leg. It's as though giving, it is as though you are giving something very valuable. Yeah, as a price. Yeah, you have to pay a high price to get something. A high price to get something. Yeah, you need to pay a lot of money to get something. Very expensive. Very expensive, yes, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, very expensive, yeah. Exactly, yeah. How cool is that? So we could say then that my lessons don't cost an arm and a leg. You know, they are cheap. They don't cost an arm and a leg. They are cheap. Yeah, yeah. All of those books cost an arm and a leg. Yeah, all of those books cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. Very expensive, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. These new watches cost an arm and a leg. This new watch. This watch, this clock. Ah, here we are. This new watch costs an arm and a leg, yeah. Very expensive watch. Yeah, why? Okay, let's change that. Again. Why does this watch cost an arm and a leg? Why is it so expensive? Well, it could be anything. Yeah, but it costs a lot of money. You think that it will cost an arm and a leg? Yeah. Could it really cost an arm and a leg? I thought they were quite cheap, but I guess I was wrong. I guess I was wrong. Yeah, obviously. How cool is that? So I saw the price, and it will cost an arm and a leg. Yeah, the price tag. Let's see if we can get a price tag. Oh, exactly. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, the price tag. So we could say anything, really. We could say 100, for example. Very expensive. Let's try and get a gift, maybe. Yeah, exactly, like this. Yeah. Here we are. So the gift cost an arm and a leg. Yeah. Oh, no, let's see. Okay. Very good. Oh, yeah, bring to front. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive gift. It is a very expensive gift. It is a very expensive gift. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, so cost an arm and a leg. Yeah. Some things in the world cost an arm and a leg. Yeah. Whether a hat, house, or even pet, or even a pet mouse. A hat, a house, or a pet mouse. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use cost, an arm, and a leg in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. Yeah. How cool is that? And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.